Is your Hisense TV showing a white screen and you're wondering how to fix it? In this video, I'm going to go through some practical steps to get your TV back to its brilliant colors. Whether it's a minor glitch or something more serious, I'll help you troubleshoot it and solve this frustrating problem. Step 1. Check external connections. The first step in fixing your Hisense TV white screen is to verify all external connections. Inspect HDMI and power cables, and ensure that all of them are firmly connected into both TV and external devices. Try different ports. Swap your HDMI connection to a different port on your TV to see if the issue persists. Sometimes specific ports can have faults. Third, switch devices. If using external devices, switch to another device to rule out an issue with the original source. Step 2. Power cycling. Power cycling is a straightforward way to resolve many issues. To power cycle your Hisense TV, turn it off and unplug it. Then leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, but also press the power button for about 15 seconds to drain any residual power. Next, plug it back in and then power it on. Check if the white screen issue is resolved. Step 3. Update firmware. Keeping your TV's firmware updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Here's how to do it. Use your remote to access the TV settings menu. Find software update by looking for system, support, and then you'll find the software update option. Check and download updates if an update is available. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If the above steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset might help. You can do this by using your remote to enter the settings menu and then going to system and then reset and admin. Choose factory reset and follow the prompts. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your TV as you did before when it was brand new. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all saved settings and configurations. It's advisable to note your preferences beforehand. If all else fails, you might want to try reaching out for professional help. You can contact Hisense support, reach out to Hisense support, and make sure you have your TV model and check to see if your TV is still under warranty. You also may be able to reach out for a certified technician to see if they can diagnose and repair your TV as well.